The Judy Sewing Cabinet will arrive in one box, ready for assembly. Begin by opening and organizing all hardware and panels. Use the assembly manual to ensure all parts are present. To help make assembly easier, you can label each panel using a sticky note. Open and inventory the hardware box to ensure all parts are present. Begin by inserting 5 cam locks into panel I. Make sure the cam locks are aligned to the open position. This will make assembly easier later on. Insert 4 dowel pins into panel I. Insert 5 cam locks into the second panel I. Insert 4 dowel pins into panel I. Insert 4 cam locks into panel E. Make sure the cam locks are aligned to the open position. Insert 2 dowel pins into panel E. Firmly press 2 cam bolts to fully anchor them into the board. Attach the left lift rail to panel E as shown, using 3/6 and 9/16 flat head screws. Attach both panel I pieces to panel E. Make sure the cam locks are facing the back of the cabinet. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Firmly press 2 cam bolts into panel F. Insert 4 cam locks into panel F. Insert 4 dowel pins into panel F. Attach the magnet using 2, 6, and 3/4 flat head screws. Set aside the magnet catch plate for later use. Attach the right lift rail using 3 and 9/16 flat head screws. Attach panel F to both panel I pieces as shown. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach casters to panel A as shown. Note: non-locking casters to the back, locking casters to the front. Lock the casters and turn panel over. Firmly press 7 cam bolts into panel A. Attach panel A to panel E, I, and F. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Carefully tip the cabinet up onto its wheels. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers.
Don't forget about how great ergonomics can enhance your sewing sessions. The Aero hydraulic sewing chair is the most comfortable chair, and it allows you to sew for hours without end. It's the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Watch this video to get more information. For information about installing your hydraulic lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below.
Attach snag-free hinges to panel B, using 6 8.5 countersunk screws. Flip panel B over. Firmly press 7 cam bolts into panel B. Carefully lower panel B onto the top, Guiding cam bolts into cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Firmly press one cam bolt into each panel, panels J and K. Insert 2 cam locks into each panel. Insert 2 dowel pins into each panel. Insert 6 cam locks into panel L. Insert 6 dowel pins into panel L. Attach panels K and J to panel L, guiding cam bolts into cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Firmly press 4 cam bolts into panel M. Guide cam bolts on panel M into cam locks on panels J, K, and L. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Firmly press 7 cam bolts into panel H. Attach caster bracket to panel H using 4 6/9/16 flathead screws. Attach magnet catch plate using 2 4.5 countersunk screws. Screw in locking caster to panel H. Tighten using provided wrench. Attach door bin to panel H, guiding cam bolts into cam locks. Tighten cam locks and apply cam covers. Attach 3 flush hinges into panel G. Using 6 4.5 countersunk screws. Insert 4 dowel pins into panel G. Insert 3 cam locks into panel G. Attach panel G to the side of the cabinet, screwing the hinges on panel G to panel E, using 6 4.5 countersunk screws. Attach panel H to panel G, tighten cam locks, and apply cam covers. Attach the handle with the provided handle bolts. Fully open the door and lock the door caster as shown. Balance panel C on the open door. Attach snag-free hinges to panel C, using 6 8.5 countersunk screws. Note: do not open the cabinet's side leaf without the door fully open. This will damage your cabinet. Happy sewing!